To make this curry, you will need peeled and sliced knob of ginger, 3 chopped garlic cloves, 2 halved onions. The onion is much sweeter if you cut it this way. 1 teaspoon salt. If you want a best result, which really makes a difference, grind your own spices. To make your own curry powder, you will need 1 teaspoon cardamom seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds or caraway seeds, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, and grind in a coffee grinder into a curry powder. You will also need 1 tablespoon tomato paste, pieces of chicken, half a cup chopped tomatoes. Heat the pan and add enough olive oil to cover the bottom of the pan. Add the chicken and saute for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. When chicken is slightly brown, add ginger and garlic. Stir in the onions and saute for 5 minutes. Now add the spices and tomato paste. Add the salt and chopped tomatoes and stir through. Now add 2 cups of water. And cover. Bring to the boil and simmer for 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. In the meantime, cook the rice. Put 1 cup of rice into a large pan with 2 cups of water. Cover. Bring to the boil and simmer for 10 minutes. Now the rice is cooked, just cover it to keep it warm. When curry is cooked, cool it down and spoon into a blender. Blend for a short time and pour into a serving dish. Top with thinly sliced green pepper. Spoon the rice into the ring mold and serve with curry sauce and chicken. Put some celery leaves on top of rice for garnish and serve.